Yes.
My name is Shadrack from Wambui. I have very few questions on behalf of Mr. Mokaya as part of the defense team. Now, officer, you informed the Honorable Court that your duty, as far as this case is concerned, was only to arrest the accused person. Is that correct?
I said, and I repeat.
Just respond to my question.
No, Your Honor.
Questions are
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
So, other than being the arresting officer, you are also an investigator in this case.
Yes, Your Honor. I conduct initial investigations.
Thank you. So you stand there in your capacity as an arresting officer and equally an investigating officer in this matter. Is that correct?
Partly, Your Honor.
My question is that correct? Yes, no, and then...
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank
partly.
Thank you.
That's why I'm using the word partly.
You will clarify that.
Yes,
you
Your
will be given
Honor.
the opportunity.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Now, when you are arresting the accused person, you were in the company of how many others? Please explain to the Honorable Court.
I was in the company of 3 others.
3 others.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were the 3 of you in police uniform?
We were not, of course. We don't wear uniform sometimes.
No, there's nothing of course here. We just want you to give us the information as it were.
We were not in police uniform.
You are not in police uniform.
Yes, Your Honor.
On this day, when you are causing the arrest of Mr. David Mokaya, did you and your colleagues introduce yourself to Mr. Mokaya?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
By sharing your documentation and your force number, is that correct?
We use the so-called certificate of appointments.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
But that is what you indicated to Mr. Mokaya as your identity as police officers.
Your Honor, we did due diligence in terms of introduction, using explanation and certificate of appointment.
Listen, Mr. Officer, don't be excited. Just listen to my questions, then respond appropriately. I am asking you, now that you did not have police uniforms, did you use your ID or documentation as proof that you're a police officer together with others?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is there proof of what you are saying before this Honorable Court?
Well, there is proof.
Thank you.
Depending on what I'm saying. I don't know what kind of proof maybe you want me to produce.
Just listen. Listen to my question. You indicate to the Honorable Court you have proof that you identified yourself appropriately to Mr. Mokaya at the time of the arrest.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Have you furnished it before Your Honor?
I've already said the proof that I have in terms of we talked and they said and they showed him the documents. That's the proof I have. Not in terms of any documentation.
Yes. Just now say that. You do not have any documentation before the Honorable Court
Yes, Your
to
Honor.
prove what you're saying. Is that correct?
I have no documentation to prove to the court that I did it the way you wanted me to put it. I'm saying
Yes.
I don't have any documentation to present to the court that I introduced myself the way you are saying. But I've said we introduced it ourselves in the normal manner. We didn't furnish him with any document.
Thank you. Now, at the time you arrested Mr. Mokaya, did you explain to him the reason why you arrested him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this the same time that you were signing the inventory?
After signing the inventory. Okay, we did introduction, then we signed the inventory.
Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the inventory that you have signed or that he signed, did it indicate the offense that you were investigating him of? You can check.
I can check.
Yes,
Your Honor.
you can check. Just give him the inventory.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor, we didn't indicate the offense, but we indicated the acts under which we were getting the equipment.
Please just read out to the court the offense.
I'm
Indicated in the infringement.
saying we did not indicate the offense,
Thank you.
but we indicated
It's fine.
the
it's
section
fine.
of the law that we were checking the evidence.
So, for clarity purposes, at the time Mr. Mokaya was being arrested, at the time you were confiscating all these documents or these materials from him, he was unaware of the offense that you were arresting him for. Is that correct?
That's not true, Your Honor.
Thank you.
That is not true.
That's not true. Now, with relation to this offense, please explain to court the offense that you have charged him with.
Well, unless I look at the charge sheet once again.
Just check. It's important.
Your Honor, the offense the accused charged with is under section 23 of the Computer Misuse and Cyber Act number 5 of 2018.
So the particulars, what are the particulars?
Publication of false information.
In relation to who or what?
You want me to read all the particulars?
Yes. It's important. So
Deputy
that we
Hoga
contextualize.
Mokaya.
Sorry?
Deputy Hoga Mokaya, on 13th November 2024, at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, knowingly published information that is false, an image of a funeral procession with a casket covered with a Kenyan flag, escorted by military officers in ceremonial uniform, which you captioned President William Ruto's body leaves the funeral home. Over a computer system X account using account landlord at Boss Gabi that resulted in panic among citizens of the Republic of Kenya, citizens of the Republic.
Thank you. Ordinarily, upon the death of a head of state, there could be official communications as to that death or otherwise. Is that correct?
Still on.
There are officials, channels of communication when we have a death of a president or a death of an even former head of state, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So that for any ordinary Kenyan citizen, Mr. Mokaya, if at all that publication came from him, will not ordinarily be believable because he's not an official government spokesperson. Is that correct? Is that correct?
It is not correct.
Thank you. So, is Mr. Mokaya a government official?
He is not.
He is not. Thank you. The communication as to the death of a president, if at all, will ordinarily be communicated by an official government official, isn't it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. The communication coming from an official government officer gives that information credibility. Is that correct?
Not correct, Your Honor.
Not correct.
It amounts to a false information.
No, you have not heard my question, officer. Let me just repeat it so that you understand me correctly. I'm saying information coming from an official government officer as to the death of a president or any government official is to be taken as credible information, isn't it?
Not any government official. There are offices which are assigned to communicate.
Thank you.
Not any government office.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now, let me just help you now here. In this instance, where we have the designated government official reporting about the death of a government official, is that information to be taken as credible?
Yes, Your Honor, depending on where it comes from.
Thank you. Thank you. So that it means that for any other Kenyan sharing this information, in the eyes of Kenyans and the general public, that information may not be taken to be credible. Is that correct?
It depends, Your Honor.
It depends. Thank you. Now, there is something you mentioned, that this information shared resulted into panic amongst members of the public.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. So what is the measure? What are you using to measure the panic levels amongst members of the public?
Your
Do you
Honor,
have a machine or something that you are using to measure?
we have no machines.
Or you have no machine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. You don't have no further questions for you.